In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add an add-on domain to your HostGator account using cPanel. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your HostGator cPanel. If you're not familiar with cPanel, it's a web-based control panel used by many hosting providers to allow users to manage their websites easily from a single dashboard. Once you've navigated your way to the HostGator website, find the login button. This will usually be at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your login credentials, typically your username and password that you set up when you created your account, and hit login. You should now find yourself on the main cPanel dashboard. If you're new to this, don't worry, the layout might look a little busy, but we're going to guide you through it step by step. Next, we're going to find the add-on domains feature. Look at the dashboard and scroll down until you see the domains section. HostGator's cPanel is structured to help you find everything you need efficiently, but sometimes the breadth of options can make it a challenge to pinpoint the right place. Keep an eye out in this section for the add-on domains option. It usually features icons representing multiple domains coming together, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on it, and this will take you to where we can set up your new domain. Now let's enter the required details to add your domain. First, you'll be prompted to enter your new domain name. Make sure you have already registered this domain name through a domain registrar. If you haven't done so already, type your new domain name in the appropriate box, ensuring no extra spaces at the beginning or end, because these could lead to errors later on. Once entered, a subdomain field will automatically populate. This is based on the domain name you've just inputted. It's fine to leave it as is, unless you have a very specific subdomain in mind, although generally, the auto-filled suggestion from HostGator works well for most users. The next detail you need to complete is the document root. This is essentially where all your files and directories for the add-on domain will live. Just like the subdomain, cPanel pre-populates this field with a suggestion that's often ideal for most situations. It's generally the same as your domain name to help you easily identify files later on. If you'd prefer a custom location, just make sure to note it down for reference. And there you have it. Simply review all the entries to catch any typos or errors. After confirming everything looks good, click the Add Domain button to finalize the process. A quick refresh